Hello guys, we're looking at question 2c. It says that the diagram below shows two rectangles, M and N, with their dimensions expressed in terms of x. Given that the difference between the areas of the two rectangles is 64 centimeters squared, show that x squared minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. Because we're dealing with rectangles and we're talking about area, then we need to explore what the area of a rectangle is. So the area of a rectangle is found by length times width. And we're going to do it for both rectangles. And it says difference, which is this word here. So it means that we're going to subtract the area of n from the area of M. So let us find the area of M. So it's going to be x minus 3 times 3x plus 4. We're going to expand the brackets because these are binomials. So we're going to use x to multiply 3x. And we're going to use x to multiply 4. So let us do that first. So it's going to be 3x squared, and then x times 4 will give us positive 4x. Then we're going to use minus 3 to multiply 3x, and minus 3 to also multiply 4. So minus 3 times 3x will give us minus 9x, and minus 3 times minus 4 is going to give us minus 12. So we can simplify this. So it's going to become 3x squared, positive 4x minus 9x will give us minus 5x, and we're just going to have that 12. Therefore, the area of rectangle M is going to be 3x squared minus 5x minus 12. So we're going to calculate the area of rectangle N. So one length was x minus 3, and the other length was x plus 2. It doesn't matter which one you write first, you will get the same answer, but just be careful of the negative sign whenever you're multiplying. So for this one, again, we're going to use x to multiply x, and then we're going to use x to multiply 2. So let's do that first. So it's going to be x times x will give us x squared, and x times positive 2 is going to give us positive 2x. Then we're going to use negative 3 to multiply x, and negative 3 to multiply positive 2. So negative 3 times x will give us minus 3x, and negative 3 times positive 2 is going to give us negative 6. So we're going to go on to simplifying. So we're going to simplify this. So it's going to be x squared. So we're going to have 2x minus 3x. So it's going to be minus 1x or minus x. And we're going to just have that 6 coming down there. So the area of rectangle N is the same thing as x squared minus x minus 6. So now that we have found the area of both rectangles, what we're going to do, we're going to subtract the area of rectangle N from the area of rectangle M. So that simply means that we're going to write the area of rectangle M first. The area of M would be 3x squared minus 5x minus 12, and I'm going to put these in brackets, and then we're going to subtract the area of N that we have above here, which is x squared minus x minus 6. and all of this will be equal to 64. So I'm going to simplify the brackets. So I'm just going to write 3x squared minus 5x minus 12. So we're going to use this negative sign to multiply everything that is inside the bracket. So minus times a positive x squared is going to give us minus x squared. Minus times minus x is going to give us a plus x. And minus times a negative 6 is going to give us a plus 6. And all of this will be equal to 64. So in the next step, we're going to group like terms. So we're going to have 3x squared minus 1x squared, or x squared. Then we're going to have minus 5x plus 1x. And then we're going to have minus 12 plus 6. And all of that will be equated to 64. Let us simplify. 3x squared minus x squared is going to give us 2x squared. Minus 5x plus x is going to give us minus 4x. Minus 12 plus 6 is going to give us minus 6, and that will be equated to 64. So let's go. So we're going to have 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 minus 64 is equal to 0. We're going to simplify. So we're going to have 2x squared minus 4x minus 70 is equal to 0. So what we're going to do now, we're going to divide both sides by 2 in order to get it in the form that was stated. So 2x squared divided by 2 gives us x squared, minus 4x divided by 2 gives us minus 2x, minus 70 divided by 2 gives us minus 35, and 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So that's what it's going to be in the form. So this is proven.